आज यहाँ पे आप सभी जानते हैं, आप इसलिए उपस्थित हुए हैं कि यहाँ पे स्पीच प्लस परिचर्चा जो कंपटीशन रखा गया है आपके लिए, जिसके टॉपिक का नाम क्या है?
मैं सौमिलियन आर्यन ग्रुप्स ऑफ कॉलेज बीए प्रथम वर्ष का छात्र। आज जैसा कि हमें पता है, आज का हमारा विषय है मानव समाज और जैव नैतिकता पर कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता का प्रभाव। सबसे पहले हमें यह जानना होगा कि कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता है, इसका मानव जीवन पर क्या प्रभाव। कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता की कई अलग अलग परिभाषाएं एवं कई अलग अलग कार्य जाने तो यह मनुष्यों के द्वारा बनाई गई एक डिजाइन है जो कि मशीनों के द्वारा प्रदर्शित की जाती है। हम एआई को अनेकों रूप से जान सकते हैं, जैसे कि स्वचालन जो किसी सिस्टम या प्रक्रिया को स्वचालित रूप से संचालित करता है। प्राकृतिक एवं प्रसंस्करण एक कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम द्वारा मानव भाषा का संकरण जैसे स्पैम का पता लगाना और मनुष्य के वो संवाद करने के मदद के लिए तुरंत एक भाषा की दूसरी भाषा में परिवर्तित करना। क्या मानवों को एआई मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की आवश्यकता है क्या? यदि मनुष्य अपने काम को पूरा करने के लिए बिना ब्रेक लिए लगातार काम करने के लिए तेज और प्रभावी तरीका चुनता है तो यह सही है, क्योंकि मनुष्य का जीवन हमेशा प्रगति की ओर बढ़ता है। क्योंकि ऐसा हालांकि हमें ज्ञात भी है कि मनुष्य हमेशा आगे की ओर आकर्षित होता है, हमेशा नया करने की सोचता है। इतना भी पीछे चले वो फिर भी आगे की सोचता है कि भाई साहब हमसे कुछ अच्छा ही हो, इसीलिए कई कठिनाइयों को दूर कर
AI every day, from waking up in morning checking our phones to watching the recommended Netflix movies. AI has quickly made its way in our everyday lives. An AI program is capable of learning and thinking. It consists of program performing a task that we normally assume that a human can perform. While AI has both pros and cons, let's check its pros. It increases the efficiency of work. It prevents the repetitions of the work. It's 24/7 availability, like in the apps we have the customer support chatbots which the person can use at any time. And we can save the lives of thousands. And during the natural calamities also, the AI can see a greater. Now we will see some. Everything has a pros and cons, so let's check its pros. AI is possible to target certain traits or some program object to accomplish the command of destruction by the programmers, thus creating world disaster. Well, inequality will be created as the investors of the AI will take up the major share of earnings. New issues surface not only in social sense but also in AI itself. As AI keeps trained and learn how to operate, the given task can eventually take off the states that human has no control. Stated back in 2014 by Stephen Hawking that development of full AI could spell the end of human race. So we should keep in mind that humans should use everything very consciously. Thank you.
With the ability to correctly interpret external data, to learn from such data, and to use those learnings to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. Despite the different definitions, some see it as the creative technology that allows computers and machines to help humankind to solve many problems and work effectively and efficiently and to work very smart. In short, it is an intelligence designed by humans and demonstrated by machines. The term AI is used to describe these functions.
Robots are not going to replace humans, but they are going to make their jobs humane. Good afternoon everyone, my name is Maya Rishi. Currently pursuing BCom CA from Aryansh Group of Arts and Science. Today I am going to speak few words on the impact of artificial intelligence on human society and environment. What do you all understand by the term artificial intelligence? Can anyone?
robots.
Okay. The artificial intelligence is the stimulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially by computer systems. Artificial intelligence is the backbone of innovation of modern computing, unlocking the value of individual for modern computing. In the field of science, it is concerned in building machines, computers in such a way that can learn, reason or act what a human intelligence needs. All the data, four types of human intelligence: reactive machines, theory of mind, self-aware, limited memory. More easy way to categorize human intelligence is by knowing what a machine can do. A machine, we can specifically can say artificial narrow intelligence, which means it can perform a narrow set of actions based on its performance and training. There are various types of training models. Several training models are supervised training models, which means a machine learning program that inputs and outputs
से बात नहीं करें भाई।
Today I am here to, my name is Saraswati Sikarwar and I am from BA second year. Here I am to discuss about the impact of AI on human society and bioethics. AI has many different definitions, so it as the creative technology that allows us and machine to function. Intelligence, it is as the machine that replaces human labor to work for man are more effective and speedier results. In short, it is an intelligence designed by a human-made tool that emulates the cognitive abilities of the natural intelligence of human mind. We can distinguish two different types. The first is weak AI, also known as a narrow AI, that is designed to perform a narrow tasks such as facial recognition or